Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by hunting sources of scrap metal, head straight to scrapyards and wrecks, and don't waste time grinding low-yield mobs. Once there, clear groups with a ranged weapon, then loot all metallic drops. Make sure to use a fast boat for quick rotations, and open your inventory to convert scrap piles into usable material immediately. You'll want at least one extra slot free. This speeds processing and prevents dropped loot effectively. After collecting, you must process scrap into usable components. Take raw pieces to a furnace or an NPC who accepts scrap exchanges. Once there, convert smaller fragments into standard metal bars using the conversion menu, because bars craft into higher-tier items and sell for more. Make sure to check conversion ratios. Some recipes waste material if you combine wrong quantities. You should upgrade processing tools when possible to increase yield and lower fuel or resource costs over repeated runs. Finish by using your processed metal. Craft weapon mods, reinforce armor, or sell bars at market stalls for instant currency. You should store extra scrap in a bank or container to avoid overcap and loss if you die, and rotate items into active slots for builds. If you encounter processing bugs, first relog. If that fails, clear inventory caches or check patch notes for known issues. One troubleshooting tip: verify you aren't exceeding stack limits. Resetting stacks often fixes conversion errors immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.